Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Introduce myself. My name is Dini Restuayuni. I am a student from the University of Asia Bandung, majoring in nursing class 2A. Here I will discuss material about tips and trick reading from skill 1 to 3 tuple. Before we discuss the material, we better read Basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully, in the next few minutes, we can focus on studying and understanding the material that has been given. Strategies for the reading comprehension question. The first, skim the reading passage, determine the main idea and the overall organization of ideas in the passage. So, it means to skim the paragraph. You don't have to read in detail, let alone interpret them one by one because it's long. Just look at the main idea in that sentence. Second, look ahead at the question to determine what types of question you must answer. So just look at the question, what kind of question does not have to read all the sentence. The third, find the section of the passage that deals with each question. Immediately see the characteristic of the question. For main idea question, look at the first line of each paragraph. Look at the first line in the sentence and combine it and conclude what the main idea is like. For directly and indirectly answer the tiled question, choose a keyword in the question. So, there are questions that are explicitly state the word are in the text and some are not in the text. So look for keyword in that sentence. For vocabulary question, the question will tell you where the word is located in the passage. What is the class meaning? Whether it is anonym or antonym or and it will be notified in what line. For where question, the answer are found anywhere in the passage. Every question has a keyword, so look for the keyword in each question. Therefore, read the part of the passage that contains the answer carefully. The answer will probably be in the same sentence or one sentence before or after the keyword or idea. The fifth, choose the best answer to each question from the 4 answer choice list in your textbook. Eliminate the wrong one and choose the one thing is most appropriate and never leave the answer. So, those are some strategies for reading. Now, let's just move on and start discussing skill 1 to 3 reading on TOEFL. Skill 1 about skill 1 main idea question. What is the topic of the passage? What is the subject of this passage? What is the main idea of the passage? What is the author main point in the passage? With what is the author primarily concerned? Which of the following would be the best title? Everything is the same as the topic of the main idea as a whole. How to answer the question. Read the first line of each paragraph. So just read the first line because the main idea is usually the beginning, middle, and but mostly at the beginning. Second, look for a common theme or idea in the first line. So in that line of sentence, it's usually about the topic. Third, pass your eyes quickly over the rest of the passage to check that you really happen the topic sentence. So just skim through to check and recheck the topic. Four, eliminate any definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choice. So choose the closest answer. Now let's just try the example question. First, read the question. So how to answer? What is the first line about? And the rest is just for check-in. A. The life of James Naismith does not explain his life. B. The history of sport does not explain history of sport. C. Physical education and exercise. No, it is clear. D. The origin of basketball. It is clear. The origin of basketball in the first line. Continue now to the second skill. Second skill, state the tile. How to identify the question? According to the passage, it is stated in the passage that the passage indicates that the author mentioned that which of the following is true. This means that questions that are in the text or are written, such as to contain in any text. Identify it first, look at for keyword in the question, then look for keyword in the text. You don't have to stick to conclusion, just look for the keyword in the question and then match them in the text. Now let's just try the example question. First, see if the keyword in question is in the third line. We match up with the multiple choice. A. Had holes cut in them. Obviously, the answer is in line 4. B. Were made of metal. Because in the sentence there are bones. C. Were made 200,000 years ago. It should be 200,000. D. Had a complicated set of liver and fat because there are no case. Continue now to skill third, unstate the tile. How to identify the question? Which of the following is not stated? Which of the following is not mentioned? Which of the following is not discussed? All of the following are true except. So, is the question is not the text, then the answer is to search for keyword. When facing a question that is not in the text to accept, then check it carefully. Now let's look an example. So let's see what keywords are there. Now that is the Florida case, which means we have to check the reverse of the previous one. So look at the keywords, check is just like that. A. The Florida case are a chain of island. Is in the second line. B. The Florida case contain coral and limestone. Is in the second line. C. The Florida case are in the shape of an R. Is in the second line. D. The Florida case are not all inhabit. This one is not in the sentence. Then this is the answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Finally, we have finished discussing reading skill from 1 to 3 on TOEFL. Thank you for your attention. Maybe that enough that I can convey. Hopefully, it can be understood by all and is useful for all. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.